Hi friends, I'm Imran Ali. Today we are going to discuss about legislation and kinds of legislation. But before moving towards the topic, let me remind you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Legislation. The term legislation is derived from the Latin word legis, meaning regulation, and latem, which means making. According to Selman, legislation is that source of law which consists in the declaration of legal rules by a competent authority. So simply it may also be defined as the promulgation of legal rules by an authority which has the power to do so. It also refers to the law made by the legislature. The legislation is mostly considered as a primary source of law. Legislation is that source of law which consists in the declaration of legal rules by a competent authority. So, legislation is the direct source of law. Legislatures frames new laws, amends the old and previous laws, and cancel existing laws in all countries. In modern times, this is the most important source of lawmaking. It not only creates new rules of law, but it simultaneously also sweeps away existing inconvenient rules. Kinds of legislation. According to John Selman, legislation is either supreme or subordinate. Supreme legislation. Supreme legislation is the parent law that originates from the sovereign strength of the nation. It cannot be repealed, annulled, or managed by other legislative authority. Also, supreme legislation is that legislation that draws its powers right from the constitution. Thus, it cannot be challenged under any legislative power. It is enacted by the highest lawmaking authority in the state. For example, Parliament in Pakistan, India, United States of America, and England. In England, even supreme legislation cannot be questioned in a court of law. The British Parliament is in every sense of sovereign law-making body. In Britain, the doctrine of parliamentary sovereignty implies supremacy and omnipotence of British Parliament. Therefore, it possesses the power of supreme legislation. Subordinate legislation. Subordinate legislation is a legislation by any other authority than the supreme authority in the state. It is made under the powers delegated by the supreme authority. Such legislation owes its existence, validity, and continuance to the supreme authority. It can be repealed and must give way to sovereign legislation. Subordinate legislation is subject to parliamentary control. According to Selman, delegated legislation is that which proceeds from any authority other than sovereign power. Selman refers the 5 kinds of subordinate legislation, which are as follows: municipal legislation, executive legislation, colonial legislation, autonomous legislation, and judicial legislation. Number 1, municipal legislation. Municipal bodies are given powers to make bylaws concerning their local matters. Bylaws made by a local body operates within its respective locality. Number 2, executive legislation. These powers are expressly delegated to the executive by the parliament. Executive consists of president, prime minister, governor, and government officers who are entrusted within working administrative departments of the state. Number 3, colonial legislation. It means legislation by the legislatures of the colonies or other dependencies. The parliament can repeal, alter, or supersede any colonial enactment. The colonies of British Empire were delegated with certain legislative authority for their own government. Such legislation is called colonial legislation. Number 4, autonomous legislation. Mostly the state allows private persons, institutions like universities, railway companies, etc. to make bylaws which are recognized and enforced by law courts. Such legislation is usually called autonomous legislation. And number 5, judicial legislation. It means rules of procedure made by superior courts for their own guidance under authority delegated to them for the purpose. In other words, the superior courts have the power of making rules of the regulations of their own procedures. So that's all for today. Till next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.